Johnny left.
One more here.
There are
One
a
more
few
here.
Riley, Papa has some. Riley, Papa has some.
Papa's got some right here.
Thank you.
Thank you, Riley. Thank you.
What's your name?
What's your name? Oh, you're looking on the back of everybody to see it?
Okay, you put the sticker on Mommy and Daddy.
Where's your sticker? It's on your back.
I'm gonna find a sticker for Mommy and Daddy.
So we're going to sing our hello song. So if you didn't get to see it last week, but we're going to sing our hello song and we'll change it up. Like it's our time to sing together first, but then it's going to be our time to drive together perhaps, wave, swim, chug, 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 chug like a train. So just keep those in mind. So let's just not that so we don't slow up. So we'll sing the first verse and you guys keep this in your head and try to think of what you'd like to suggest after the first verse, okay? So it's our time to sing together, our time to sing together, it's our time to sing together, sing hello, hello. Let's pick a couple of other ones and we'll sing those too. So, it's our time to wave together is a great one. So, does anybody have any others they liked on the list? Drive. I hear drive. Okay. Clap. All right. That's good. That's solid. So we'll sing and drive and clap. I think that's great. It's our time to sing together. Our time to sing together. It's our time to sing together. Sing hello, hello. It's our time to drive together. Our time to drive together. It's our time to drive together. Drive hello, hello. It's our time to clap together. Our time to clap together. It's our time to clap together. Clap hello, hello. Did we get to wave yet? No. It's our time to wave together. Our time to wave together. It's our time to wave together. Wave hello, hello. Hello. Now if everybody could put a little one on their laps if you haven't already. And straighten on your legs. We're going to ride together. We did this last week. So, but we'll demo it. We have a bunch of new faces today. Right? So first we start up high. We're going to bounce with it. And let's go riding together, together, together. Let's go riding together. So just like the other one, we're going to pick out a couple more to do. So we can go swimming together. We can go flying together. Are the moose up top?
I'll get one.
I forgot all about my little buddy. I got introduced today. Miss Karen told me all about my buddy today so that I could demo for you. He's got the coolest shirt. No? Do you want to switch spots with my moose?
Whoa.
Whoa. Okay. So you can take your child's hands and do the motions, or you can do them yourself. So we've ridden together. We can swim together. Excellent. That's probably not great form, but we're sitting on the floor. So, and we can rock together. I like that one. And one more. We can chug together because we're still in our transportation. We started with trains and everybody knows how to go chug, right? Like chug, chug. So show me your chuggas. Okay, so we're gonna fly together, swim together, and then chug together. Good. So it's a little less of a workout, but so let's go flying together, together, together. Let's go flying together. Away we go. Flying here and flying there. We'll fly on together everywhere. Let's go flying together, together, together. Let's go flying together. Away we go. Now you can take your little buddy and say, oh, and go all the way back. Oh, or as far back as you like. Let's go swimming together, together, together. Let's go swimming together as we go. Swimming here and swimming there. We'll swim all together everywhere. It's fine, fine day. Let's do it a little faster. We gotta get away from the shark. Let's go swimming together, together, together. Let's go swimming together, away we go. Swimming here and swimming there. We'll swim all together everywhere. It's fun, fine day. Oh, last one. Let's ride back. Let's go riding together, together, together. Let's go riding together, away we go. Riding here and riding there, we'll ride all together everywhere. It's fine, fine day. Good job working out. Good job swimming too. Yay. Okay, so now, can anybody tell me what trains sound like? What does a train sound like? Choo choo. That's a whistle. And what's it sound like when a train stops? Like on a ski slope? I'm not sure what makes that sound, but it's pretty cool. And what about the chugga chuggas from last? We did a little already. Very good. So I have some trains on recording. And we're going to just listen and see if you hear anything other than what we did. Anything cool that we missed? I hear the whistle. All aboard. Going faster. You hear the clacking? This is good to listen and identify what we hear, right? Sounds a little scary when we know what they are too and talk about them. I'll turn it up for you. One more time. Yeah. All aboard. They're all getting up. They all got on the train. Now they're waving goodbye. Bye, friends. Going on a trip.